What's up guys, it's Mike here with Growing Indoors 365. Thank you all so much for tuning in. This is a quick one to talk about seeds. I just got this seed pack collection, okay? Check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 different seeds. This pack only cost me roughly $13. Each one of these lettuces, each individual pack inside has 150 seeds. 150 seeds each one. Okay, that's a lot of seeds, guys, for just under $12. Check this out. Seed needs. The link is down below. I'm going to try this out. I'm going to start germinating immediately. While you're here, this is a completely closed pack. Okay? By the way, if you're new to the channel, my name is Michael. I'm an indoor hydroponic grower, primarily focused on lettuce. And this is a perfect sample of what you need to keep inside the house, especially if you're trying to start growing indoors. This is a perfect example. The link is down below. It's easier than ever. All right? So let's take a look at what's inside. Nice packaging. I love this. The link is right down below for this. This is fantastic. I'm super excited. These are all great variations of lettuces that I like to grow. 150 seeds, heirloom. About 28 to 55 days for full development. Paris Island Coast. Paris Island Coast, whatever that means, but it looks cool. I like this. I like this type of heavy, thick, long type of lettuce. This is going to be great. Let's take a look at the next one. All right, prize head looks pretty cool. Nice looking butter lettuce type. I always grow this type of lettuce. 150 seeds, GMO free, heirloom. Approximately 50 days for full development. Right? Looks freaking awesome. I love this. Look at all these. Look at all these. Amazing. Pack of 8 under $13. Red romaine. This is going to be great. Love romaine lettuce. So super excited about this one. Black seeded Simpson. Interesting. Looks like it's going to be really wide, not long. So this is going to be a cool one. Looks like also kind of a buttery lettuce. High fiber and excellent source of potassium. 40 to 50 days for full produce. Iceberg. Love iceberg, first of all. Nothing beats a nice iceberg with a little bit of bacon, a little bit of blue cheese. Looking forward to seeing how this actually develops hydroponically. Super cool. Again, GMO free, 150 seeds. Now, Lolo Rosa. I've grown this many times. I always have this in my archives of seeds. Super good lettuce, super delicious. Can't wait to grow it again. And the last, oh no, there's 2 more. Oak leaf. Never grown this one. Really excited about this one too. It looks beautiful. Interesting how it develops out. A lot of different variations inside. Again, GMO free. And the last is ruby red. Great. I love it. It looks like, it says it's crispy ruby red leaves. Produces medium size heads with semi-crispy ruby leaves. So it's going to be like a semi-hybrid of butter lettuce as well as something a little hardier. So pretty excited about this one too. Bottom line is, for under $13, you get all of these. It's a no-brainer. Hit the link down below, guys. So excited for the weekend. Hope you guys are growing. Hope you guys are doing well. Tune in for more. I'll talk to you guys soon. Again, this is Mike from Growing Indoors 365. Give me a thumbs up. Share the video. Enjoy the weekend.